How to use McAfee LiveSafe software. Your home network security system will keep your devices safe from many threats, including viruses, by preventing access to known malicious sites while you're connected to your home network. However, on its own, it can't protect devices when they access other networks, including cellular networks, nor can it prevent viruses if brought in through portable devices. Mobile devices that you use to access the internet from outside your secure home network, such as your phone, tablet, or laptop computer, are most at risk. For these devices, it's a good idea to add a layer of security in the form of antivirus software. Fortunately, you can add McAfee LiveSafe antivirus identity and privacy protection directly from D-Link Defend. Your network security system can easily identify devices at risk. To check the antivirus protection status of your mobile devices, tap on Devices. To add McAfee LiveSafe to the device, tap on the device name in the list and tap Install. Tap Send to share a download link to your family member or friend, prompting them to install McAfee Antivirus Protection on their device. The user will receive your message along with the link to download and install McAfee LiveSafe. Once the user clicks that link, the installation screen will appear. The user should follow the instructions and prompts on the screen throughout the installation process.